Welcome to Homes by Avi in Rockland Park. We're excited to have been selected to be part of this award-winning community. My name is Gary Strang, and I'm excited to be helping you with your home buying journey in Rockland Park. Our brilliantly designed homes focus on the highest quality standards while optimizing energy efficiency in every BuiltGreen home in Rockland Park. Today, we're in the Caldwell show home. I call this my Swiss Army knife of houses. With our various plan options, there's virtually nothing we can't do in this home. The floor-to-ceiling windows, magnificent feature fireplace wall, and beautifully appointed kitchen are simply stunning. Heading to the second floor, you'll be wowed by the abundant natural light and the feeling of space. The master bedroom features an elegant 4-piece ensuite and walk-in closet. Basement development has become very popular. With Homes by Avi, you have the option to finish the space for your family or to create an income property with a legal suite. There are so many options for you to build the perfect home for your family, and we'd love to be part of that journey at Rockland Park.